everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up a box by WeVolve. This is their esoteric bi-monthly subscription box. Hey guys, so I was just uploading my video to publish and I realized that I opened the Wisdom Keepers monthly book box, bi-monthly book box, which makes so much more sense because we got a book and it said it right on the sheet. So I gave the wrong information in the beginning of this video. It's a bi-monthly box. It is $29.95 every other month. I mentioned it was the esoteric one, which is $49.95, so ignore that. I'm so sorry for my misinformation. I was just so excited to open it, I guess. I don't know why I thought that or said that, but yeah, just wanted to hop on quick, and I'm gonna re-upload that with this little clip. Love you. Box. So it comes every other month. This one is $49.95, and you get at least 5 curated items that have to do with esoteric subjects. I've been loving this box, and then I love that they have another subscription that alternates every other month if you choose to subscribe to both, and that's their Wisdom Keepers book box. I opened that last month. So I will link them down below. This is one I pay for myself, and I get it from Cratejoy, and on Cratejoy there's a little like something you can select when you subscribe. This is like, use the code MYSTIC at checkout for a special discount. So be sure to check that off if you do subscribe. I'm not sure how much you save, but you do save some money off your first box. So let's get this open and see what's inside. How are you guys doing? I haven't posted in a couple days because I didn't have any boxes, but I got 3 in last night. So the rest of the week we'll have some. I'm thinking I need to come up with some ideas to film when I don't have boxes. If you guys have any ideas you'd like to see on the channel, please let me know. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Looks like the theme. They always have a little card like this with an affirmation that has to do with the theme. I am the universe in ecstatic motion. I love that. I am the universe in ecstatic motion. The theme is conscious connection. Look how many things are in here. Like I said, there's at least 5 every month. And let's see what it says here. We all need some insight and guidance when it comes to navigating this incarnation during a time of such great change. This curated collection is here to help guide you to finding your authentic power, releasing what doesn't serve you, and finding connection with others. I love that. And they always have like little extras here. Like if you want to dive deeper, they give you suggested meditations. And yeah, there looks like there's a few different meditations, and then it says remember to watch your inbox for this month's collective healing. So I don't know if I noticed that yet. You guys, I'm so sorry if anyone has emailed me, by the way. I have like 3,000 emails and it's just so overwhelming. I don't even check it, and I know it's terrible. It's on my to-do list. Just that, since that just came up, emails, I had to say that. But let's go into the box now. So right on top there's like a little piece of paper here. Take that out, and then everything is wrapped up nice and neatly. There's a few little papers on top, but let's see what this is. Deepest Fear Inventory. This is a practice that was developed by Carolyn Grace Elliott and discussed in her book Existential Kink. I think I've heard of that, but I haven't read it. Here are the instructions for the Deepest Fear Inventory practice, as provided by her website, carolyngraceelliott.com. From the author, this is one of my favorite practices of all time. I give these instructions for also in the book, inspired by Marianne Williamson, quote, our deepest fear is not that we're inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond all measure. Ooh. So you have to take out a piece of paper. They say it's better to write it up because you're gonna rip it up and destroy it later. I love doing that. It's such a powerful, energetic exchange. And then at the top of the sheet, you write, Dear God or Universe or Hecate or Hermes, whatever you address the divinity as, I hate and resent blank because I have a deep fear that I blank, and then you keep going. Write at least 20 deep fears quick as you can. Oh yeah, doing it quick, you can't even overthink it, so like the true stuff comes right out. And then at the bottom of the sheet of paper, write the following prayer. God, I ask that you remove these fears. I pray only for knowledge of your will for me and the power to carry it out. Amen. Wow. And then you, this is what it looks like. Find a trusted person to read your deepest fear inventory out loud to. Then rip it up. And then no holding on to it. You don't need no holding on to an inventory to remember what my fears are or any nonsense like that. Tear it up, throw it away. It's a banishing spell. And then they give an example here. That's some powerful stuff. Like, I'm totally going to do that. I like to do release rituals anyways, like on the full moon especially. It's the most powerful. I write down all the things I want to release, like fears, self-limiting beliefs and stuff like that, which is similar to this. So I'm excited to try this out. And you guys, even if you don't get the box, hopefully that explained it well enough so you can do it. Hi, baby. go up there so people can see you. Good girl. I love when Abby makes an appearance. She's so sweet. She's always sleeping right here, but you can't always see her, you know. She's not always on the couch. Come back. People love you. She doesn't like the light, even though it's not that bright. But anyways, right on top, there's another piece of paper here. Kindness card. Please enjoy this random act of kindness. Sorry, I feel like I can't speak really well. Now it's your turn. Pay it forward. Do something kind and leave this card behind. Let's start a kindness cascade. Why is kindness hard to say right now? That's funny. And on the back, it says, we believe that kindness and compassion are magic. Unconditional love heals. So true. Oh my God, you know when I started reading? Sorry, I'm like really chatty today. I guess You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hayes. Anyways, and that when we shine our light onto the world becomes a more beautiful place. And then it talks about how you can add to the fun and post your random act of kindness, giving or receiving, and tag them at WeVolve box. That's a nice reminder. And then a little extra magic from me to you. Blessings, Courtney. Courtney is the founder. She's so sweet, by the way. She realized I lived in Fort Myers and emailed me when the hurricane happened to make sure I was okay. And I didn't see that email for like 2 months later, so hopefully she got my reply. But thank you, Courtney, if you happen to see this. Like she really cares about her subscribers. So sweet. And a little extra, I think this is it. It's a beautiful crystal. Oh my gosh. I'm guessing this is what it is because this is right under it. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Courtney. Oh my God, in person it's even more beautiful. So it's like a geode, like a cracked open geode. Is that what you call it? Oh my God. Come on, camera, show the beauty. Crystals are my favorite. I love this. Thank you, Courtney. Thank you so much. I don't think it's on here to see it, but is this like a quartz? I don't know, but thank you. Now let's keep going. Next, right on top, I see something in here. Look, I love the like eco-friendly, like little swiggly things. Someone said the name of those ones. I just call them swigglies. I don't know, packing stuff. I think there's another word. Sandalwood incense cones. Oh my God, I love sandalwood. Awesome. Let's take one out. I like incense cones too. Ooh, yeah, these are awesome. You just light the top. There are 4 in here. Oh my God, it smells so nice. Awesome, love sandalwood. Let's take some of these out. Ooh, there's like little kits. Next up, throw kindness around life confetti. Ooh, is this a little deck of cards? Is that what I see here? Let's see if I can. Ooh, I see something in here. Okay, where does it say? So we talk about the random act of kindness card. These are kindness and compassion cards, I think, by Mr. Penn. Let's look. You know I love cards. If you guys don't know, I have a second channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot content and also soon to be a mixture of tarot and astrology content. These are cards. Oh my God, they're like little affirmation cards. I love this. Yeah, it is. That's what it's by Mr. Penn. Okay, let's read the first one. Or how about let's do a little shuffle. Spirit, what does the collective need to hear right now? What do the viewers and I need to hear right now? Be the most brilliant color in the box. Oh, I love that. And let's look. You are valued, worthy, powerful, appreciated, special enough. Embrace what makes you different. I love how each one of these is different. It's like sturdy, like the cardstock, shiny. So fun. Awesome. So I'm sure you guys will see this on my other channel if you subscribe. If you're curious about it, it's always linked in the description box. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you guys for all your support. I love you so much. I love this little bag that came in, this little Ziploc thing. What does it say again? Throw kindness around like confetti. Yes, I love that. And then next up, we have like a little oil in here. Ooh, whatever this is looks beautiful. Like an ombre look. Ooh, I think it smells. Let's roll it a little bit. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. Let's read about it because I'm so bad at describing scents. Oh, it's lovely. So this is the Conscious Connections Ceremonial Oil Roller by WeVolve Box and MD Traditional. This oil roller was a collaborative effort between Denver, Colorado-based alchemist Maricela Duarte and energy healer Courtney Robinson. This ceremonial oil aids in helping you to connect the energies from the etheric realm and Christ consciousness through the crown and third eye chakras, creating greater intuitive awareness. It stimulates the throat and heart chakras to communicate with kindness and strength, the heart's electromagnetic field. Archangel Metatron, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Chimuel, I always feel like I'm saying that one wrong, Chimuel, I don't know, sorry, and the goddess Venus all bless this ceremonial oil. Awesome, I love that. I love little oils and stuff like this. I have a few on my tarot desk over there. I apply them every day depending on like what I want, or like what energies I want to embody or need help with or whatever. So this is awesome. Conscious connection. This would be good to do before my tarot readings, to use this, right? Awesome, yay. Hey, Amy. Oh, you guys, I see something. Stay tuned. My act of kindness is coming in just a bit. Ooh, is this a journal? I hope so. I love journals so much, and this is beautiful. Like my nails. I decided I'm going to do my nails because I go every like 3 to 4 weeks, you know. So I'm going to do it for every zodiac season, and this is like Pisces colors are lavender and sea green, and I went with lavender, and I really like it, and it matches my bracelets I wear sometimes. This is a notebook. Yay. Oh, maybe you can see my nails better now. Oh, I love it. And this is by Elemental Elements. I think it says on the bottom. Where are you? Evil Eye Journal by Elemental Elements. Awesome. This is from Ashley, owner of the Elemental Elements in Luverne, Minnesota. I forgot to mention in the beginning, all the items pretty much that they put in the box are from like women-owned, like people of color, all like minorities, like small businesses they support, and I love that so much about them. So I like how they're actually including the owner's names and a little bit about them in each description. I think that's really awesome. I appreciate that. I didn't read about the cards, but I think we know. And then this is a classic book, and I own it already. This is The Seed of the Soul. I actually haven't finished it. Gary Zukov. My mom sent me this. Thanks, Mom, if you're watching. And I've started it. I'm one of those people that reads like several books at once. Sometimes I speed through others, and then I take my time depending on my mood and stuff. And mine's like over there somewhere. But I'm going to give this away to one of you guys, my act of kindness. Let me tell you a little bit about this so you guys can know if you want to enter or not. But even if, you know, you could always pass it on. We could do that. Just read it, pass it on to someone else that could use it. Hi, Emmy. She could tell I'm excited. Hey, girl. So the Seed of the Soul will change the way you see the world, interact with other people, and understand your actions and motivations. Gary Zukov takes you on a thrilling tour of the new human evolution, requiring each of us to make the values of the soul our own. Harmony, cooperation, sharing, and reverence for life. Using his scientist's eyes and philosopher's hearts, Zukov shows you how to contribute fully to this evolution and infuse your everyday activities with meaning and purpose. This new edition contains website links and an in-depth study guide. Yeah, in the back of it, there's a study guide so you can like go back and forth. Like when you end a chapter, you can go in the back and see like what the study guide says, and like so you can really get a lot and like immerse yourself in this book and the practice. I love this. So yeah, if you guys want this book, please leave a comment down below. So if I'll do this like all of my giveaways. So it's for my subscribers, my way of giving back to you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and leave a comment. And what I'll do is at the end of the month, which isn't that far away, but like on March 1st, I will use a random comment picker, and I will make sure you follow the rules, and whoever is selected and is subscribed and all that, I will pin your comment and let you know that you won, and you can just email me your shipping information and I will send this to you. And then we can like read it together. That'd be fun. So that was everything, you guys, besides like the bonus healing stuff. So in the Dive Deeper suggested meditation is on Insight Timer, 5D Soul Mission, and then clearing, protecting, and upgrading the throat chakra. And then they also suggest The Law of One Transmission by Steve Anel Noble. And then again, remember to watch your inbox for this month's collective healing. I'll double check that if I gotten it or not before I post this video. And if I did get it already, I'll like take a screenshot or something and insert that when I know what it is. But I've done one of their healing meditations before, and it was powerful. It was so cool. It was like a a star, like a light transmission, is that what you call it? And then like a meditation thing, and it was so awesome. This was like a while back, but it was so good. So we got the book. That seems to be like the big item, and this is like, yeah, it's been around forever. It's a #1 bestseller, 25th anniversary. Like, this book got really popular through Oprah. I love Oprah. So we have, this is the second time I've talked about Oprah today, which is random. Like, but yeah, we have the book, we have the cards, which of course I love, the incense, the notebook. I use notebooks every day. I love that. This oil, which I'll use all the time. This little act of kindness, all great stuff. The fear sheet, that I'm excited to use. I don't know where it went. Oh, it's right here, like sitting on it. This oil, and then this beautiful crystal. I love it. So yeah, that's everything for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing. Again, everything's in the description box. I'll leave like the rules for the giveaway in the description too. I hope I remember, but I think it's really simple. Subscribe, leave a comment, you know, and you can come back and comment every day if you want to, that's fine. But anyways, that's it. I love you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, which I pretty much already asked you to do with the giveaway, but hey, another reminder, I appreciate it so much. It really helps me out, and yeah, I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you. Bye.